Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk rear glass window on your KRX4 1000. Now this is a great way to keep dust, rain, and other elements out of your cab. These also complement other cab accessories you might have on your machine. And this thing is super durable. It's made from laminated safety auto glass, so it's going to stay looking good for a long time. And with it being more heavy duty, it also helps keep engine noise out of the cab. Now, as far as installation goes, it's pretty simple to do. So let's go ahead and get started. To prep the rear glass window, we need to install 4 pieces of bulb seal. Now we have all of these panels, they have the bends facing up right now. And these panels, the way they sit, they're gonna face inside towards the cab. So that means this bulb seal needs to be facing up as well as we install it. So this longer piece, this is gonna go across the top. And then we have 3 shorter pieces. So 2 for the side panels, and then this one's gonna go across the bottom. And anywhere that it's really tight, you can use a soft face mallet to hit it into place. So now I'm going to move to the bottom of the rear window. And one thing I want to point out is if you find any spots that fit loose, you can simply pinch that bulb seal together, and that's going to give you that tighter fit. And now we'll move on to the side panels. Now to install the rear window, we're going to drop it in from the top, and the bottom you're going to want to have sitting in between your headrest and the air intake duct. Again, we have the roof mounting bolts loose, so we can pull that up a little bit to help out. Now we can take the 2 1.5-inch loop clamps, so the smaller ones in the kit. We're going to set this flat section of the clamp against the rear window. We're going to go around the roll cage, and once both of those are in place, we're going to use the M6 by 25mm button head bolts. We've got a washer on them. Go through that rear window, through the clamp, and then we'll use that flange nut on the other side. And as you install the hardware, throughout the process, you want to leave it loose, and then we'll make our final adjustments and tighten everything down once we're done. Next, you're going to set the side panels in place, and the side panel is going to sit on the inside of that main panel. Then we're going to use the 3 M6 by 16mm button head bolts with the washers on them. We're going to go through the main panel, through that side panel, and then you have the flange nut on the inside. And one tip for the middle bolt is to use a wrench to hold that nut while you screw it in place. Now on the outsides of your side panels, you have 2 mounting locations on each side for those loop clamps. And again, we're going to have the flat side of that sitting against the side panel. And on these, it's just like the top. You're using the M6 by 25mm button head bolt, your washer, going through that panel, through the clamp, and then you've got that flange nut on the inside. Now that we have everything loosely installed, you can go ahead and move everything around and get it adjusted for the best fitment, and then tighten all of the hardware down. And once you have all the hardware tightened down for the rear window, you can finish tightening up your roof. And that's all it takes to install the Tusk rear glass window on your KRX4 1000. If you need one of these, click the link in the description below, or just go to our website. And if you have any questions about it, leave those down in the comments. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.